Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x cubed divided by x plus x is equals to 16, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we check that which one of the roots of this equation are solution and which of these roots are extraneous root. Okay, so I hope so you like this method. The very first thing we are going to do is first we need to focus in the numerator term, and you see here the exponent is 3, so we break this 3 as x to the power of 2 plus 1, and it is divided by, here you see that x is added 3 times, so it means that we need to add the exponents of these terms. So the exponent of this term is 1, and after adding 3 times it will becomes 3x, and it is equals to 16. So further in the next step, here we use the nice exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, we break the exponent of this term, and it will be written as x square into x to the power of 1, and it is divided by, this is 3 times of x is equals to 16. And now you see here this x is cancelled out by this x, and we will get here x square divided by 3 is equals to 16. And further in the next step we move this 3 to the right hand side. For this it will becomes here x square is equals to 3 multiplied by 16. And now you see here we solve this problem for the values of x. For this we need to remove this square sign from left hand side. So in order to remove the square sign, we need to take the squaring on both of the sides. So when you take squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as x square and its whole square root into square root of 3 multiplied by x. And you see here because we can take the square on both of the sides, so that we write the plus minus sign of any one of the sides. So further in the next step, you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here our x is equals to, this is plus minus, and we know that a square root of 16 is equals to 4 times of square root of 3. So these are the two roots of the given equation. And further in the next step, so we need to verify these two roots, and we will check that is these two roots are satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification of the roots, first we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x cubed divided by x plus x is equals to 16. And we put both of these roots here, and here in this side we put the positive root, it is 4 times of square root of 3, and in this side we will put the negative root, it is 4 times of square root of 3. So further in the next step, we need to verify both of these roots. And now first we verify this root, and we will put this value here, and it will be written as so it will becomes here 4 times of square root of 3 and its whole cubed divided by, here we have 4 times of square root of 3 plus 4 times of square root of 3 plus 4 times of square root of 3 is equals to 16 or not. This is the our claim. And now here you see that when we add these terms in 3 times, so it will be written as, so we get here 4 times of square root of 3 and its whole cubed divided by, this will becomes, because this is added by 3 times, so we write it as 3 times of 4 into square root of 3. So this is equals to 16 or not, and this is the our claim. You see here, this term is cancelled out by one of this term, and after cancellation of these terms we will get here, so in the above side we get here 4 times of square root of 3 and its whole square divided by 3 is equals to 16. And further in the next step, you see here we have, uh, so we need to take the square of the numerator terms, and when we will take the square of 4 it is equals to 16, and when we take the square root of 3 it will becomes here 3 and it is divided by 3, and this is equals to 16. So you see here this 3 is cancelled out by this 3, and finally we will get here 16 is equals to 16. So this shows that the first value of x is satisfied our given question statement. And now here we move forward towards the second case. So this is our first solution of the given equation, and now we put this value here, and after substituting this value here it will be written as minus 4 times of square root of 3 and its whole cubed divided by minus 4 times of square root of 3 minus 4 times of square root of 3 minus 4 times of square root of 3. When we put this value here it will be written as in this form, and we check that is this equals to 16 or not. Okay, so here we need simplifications, so we apply the same pattern here. It will be written as minus 4 times of square root of 3 and its whole cubed, and we write these terms as 3 times of minus 4 into square root of 3, and we check that is this equals to 16 or not. So here in the same pattern this term is cancelled out by one of these terms, and it will be written as minus 4 times of square root of 3 whole square divided by, here in the denominator we get 3 only, and this is equals to 16. And further in the next step you see here minus 4 square is equals to 16, and the square root of 3 is equals to 3 divided by 3 is equals to 16. So this is cancelled out by this one, and finally we will get here 16 is equals to 16. So this shows that the second value of x is also satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have, these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.